and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in one of our bathrooms and I plan on doing a clean with me video. I hope you enjoy this segment. If so, please don't hesitate in commenting below. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber and you're new to my channel, please don't hesitate in hitting the subscribe button. I would surely love to have your support. Also, if you hit the bell, you get more notifications of any of my upcoming videos. So, like I said, today I plan on working in the bathroom and doing a clean with me video, and I hope you enjoy this segment. So the bathroom is completely clean. I forgot to let you know, I put the throw rugs in the washer before I even started the washer and dryer. So I was just waiting for them to get out. And this is pretty much how the bathroom looks. It's nice and clean. I think I've also mentioned in previous videos my house is pretty small, so it doesn't take me very long at all. So, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Love to hear from you. Till next time, friends, take care.